back down there, I think it's
Fuck
fucking
out of here, man!
Oh my god. Alright, we're going down that long hallway again.
Alright,
Comes from.
what's up guys, Ian here, and today I'm playing White Noise Online. I have a nice party with me. I have Miss Vocalist and Just Pebbles, so hopefully my headset can work. Yeah.
Yep. I'd love the trademark.
Yo. What's headset? Yo, hello?
Yo, he started it like a dumbass.
No, it's fine, whatever. I already did the intro, so that. Where's everybody?
I have no idea. I'm trying this.
What the fuck? What the fuck are you doing? Why are you going like this?
I don't know, where
I'm
we
scared
go?
to turn around.
Who's the leader?
You're so
Alright, so
ugly.
let's go this way. You know, it's ladies first, you feel me?
Fuck my ass.
Alright.
Yo. Right. I feel like
It's so damn dark. Where's the lights at?
I'm so close to my TV. I'm scared. I'm backing up now.
The lights are made out of paper and shit. Look at this door. It's like, it doesn't even look like a door.
What?
I'm not turning around, bro.
These books are enemies,
I hated that we can't run. It's like so
You know,
annoying.
you have to push the R trigger to run. People over here.
You like this?
People run. Are you able to push the
What the
first
fuck
page?
is that? I might come dying.
Holy shit!
Oh my gosh, she's gonna come more. I'm fucking scared, dude.
Don't
You
run.
went for me, right?
Damn, I am in front of you.
Yo, this motherfucker got balls, son. I can't.
I can't do this game, man. Oh wait, that's just Pebbles, that's right.
Yeah, that's up to you.
And I'm just vocalist and Ashley.
Your ass though, like damn, bro.
I told you, man, the booty shorts.
I'm like in the back and I'm scared because my character's stupid.
Why are you turning around corners? Are you retarded?
Okay, this is a huge ass open area, so
He's over here. I could hear that motherfucker growling.
Leo, hold me.
Yeah, your stupid ass came this way.
that's because there's a tape right here.
Right,
Leo,
hand?
but hold me. What the fuck is that?
Walk! Walk!
What is that? That booty though.
Yo, you was bugging. I am not going in there.
Sorry, Leo. I'm scared to turn around.
Yo, this nigga is bugging.
I hear growling.
I'm so scared, dude. You don't even understand.
You have a pink flashlight. You're safe. He won't touch you because you're bad.
Oh, that's oh my god! That was a dead body!
Oh, I thought I was him.
That was like...
What the fuck is that?
Actually, you see that dead body? He looks like that, period.
Is that gonna come alive?
Yeah.
Oh man, I hear everything. Yo, these niggas gonna start coming more and more. Okay, we should have never got those shits. We could just be
Okay,
chill.
come in here.
Chill. You go first,
It's
nigga.
your turn to go first, man.
Dude, I can't fucking move.
Actually, you gotta go first this time.
Hurry up. You was leading. Let's follow
Anyway,
the
someone has to
leader.
go first
Ryan,
now.
lead it.
I'm not going in there.
You go in there.
I'm going back. There's a
Then
tape
I'm
in there
not
though.
turning around. I like right. I like right.
I don't like leading anymore.
I don't like leading anymore.
What?
Yo, I want to be in the middle, not the back.
You're in the back, nigga. Fuck you.
I'm stuck on.
Go through.
I'm stuck. I don't want to die. Don't leave me like this, man.
Yo, I could hear him growling.
He's on my neck, bro.
What happened?
He's on my neck.
What was that scream for then?
Just like, I hear it in my headset. This is so horrible. I can't.
my volume all the way up. I'm
Let's
so
sing
sorry.
happy songs, okay? It feels like I'm stuck.
I'm listening to music. I'm listening to some romance music. You feel me? Like,
It makes me want to quack like, what the fuck is that?
with that green thing.
Yeah.
Oh, don't look
that
at
thing
that.
kills you.
Said don't look at that.
Yeah. Don't look at the left, right. Or right, I mean.
I'm letting you lead because you have experience with this
I don't.
game.
Alright,
really
turn around, turn
don't.
around.
Man, how you knew where all the tapes are
I
at?
have no idea, I'm just going randomly.
You're in the wall, bro.
I'm inside the wall. Fuck this shit. I'm out of this, man.
Oh, I went in the wall too.
Alright.
Somebody gonna be here.
Alright,
go
get the
straight.
fuck out the wall.
Alright.
There's some crisis.
Take it upstairs.
Okay.
Alright, what are we doing now?
Go straight, nigga.
You're right telling me to.
Yo, what are you doing in the wall, my nigga? Hurry
Yo,
up.
I'm getting
Your
my
turn to go
screen's
straight.
getting really staticky.
Exactly, because we're not doing anything. We need someone to go straight.
Dude, get the fuck out of what the fuck? Get the fuck out of the wall.
I'm going in the wall with him. Forget this.
No, leave me behind! Okay. I couldn't go in the wall.
I hear him. I hear him. I'm gonna get some water
Bro,
real
who
fast.
does it?
Nigga!
I dare you. Turn that corner. I dare you.
I'm damn scared.
Oh my god, my flashlight turned off.
Did I scare you?
My flashlight! My flashlight's off! No! No!
Why is it off?
It won't turn on!
It's on my screen.
There
Why
we go,
is it
there
off?
we go, there we go.
Alright, there's no one here. We're fine.
Why was it turning
No
off?
idea! It ran out of batteries.
Look at me, daddy.
Okay,
We have to wait for Leo.
well then you.
No, get off me.
Okay,
Yes,
that I am.
Hey, Leo.
Ah! I had a fucking answer in front of me! Why did he appear in front of me for? I was standing still. This motherfucker, this fucking hell ass motherfucker just. What the? I was staring at my phone and all of a sudden I was looking up and this dude's right in front of my face. This dude, he just fucking jump scared the shit out of me.
Leo, turn around! Leo, turn around! Leo, turn around! Cause there he is. If you guys haven't noticed the first time that this game,
Alright, I'm backing up. I'm backing up. I'm backing up that way. What you guys looking that way? Okay. We got 4 tapes so far. Let's do this.
Yo, my flashlight is
Yeah.
blinking.
That means he's near you.
I'm right next to you. I don't understand.
Hold me.
My flashlight's gonna turn off. Ah! Ah!
What happened?
He's in the wall.
Mommy?